Welcome! If you don't know who I am, my name is Natalie, and growing up, I was always overweight. I was the big girl. I even had a doctor call me big boned. Isn't that lovely? And I was just a teenager then. So I thought that it was seemingly impossible to lose weight. So I tried to accept my body positivity, and it worked a little bit. I tried every diet in the book. Slim Fast, Keto, Richard Simmons, and none of them worked. Over 4 years ago, my mom went on Facebook and she found this. It just popped up. It was such a God thing. A way of eating that kills cravings, doesn't use your motivation, and helps you get the weight off and keep it off. I was sold when I heard that you can keep it off forever, because I was so done with the yo-yo diet, trying to exercise my way to health. She signed us up without even telling us. So when I found out what the plan actually was, which was no sugar, no flour, and 3 weighed meals a day, I thought, I can do anything for 2 weeks. We had just got off of keto, and I had done it for like 3 weeks, lost 10 pounds, gained 5 back, because it's just not sustainable. 3 girls, we dove in, we ditched all our sugar and flour, and we thrived on it. After we got through the initial detox, it was great. Mental fog was gone. I had so much energy. I felt so good. The cravings were like way out here and weren't like this always constant stress. Then around day 100, I was about to quit. I could not eat one more meal of baked chicken, steamed broccoli. I found a recipe on Facebook that had sugar in it, but it was for chickpea blondies, and I thought, I can make this sugar and flour free. So I started experimenting in my kitchen, formulating, experimenting. Somebody has actually called me an evil genius in the kitchen. I started creating recipes, and that made healthy eating exciting for me. So now, fast forward 4 years, I've lost over 87 pounds. I have been sugar and flour free for 4 years. I have not had a legit dessert in 4 years. That's just crazy, where before I couldn't go a week, maybe even like a couple days without dessert. I saw others struggling just the same way I was, so I was inspired to put together all my recipes into cookbooks. 4 years later, I have over 20 cookbooks, over 1,000 recipes that are completely, really sugar and flour free. Simple recipes you do not need an interpreter to understand. Simple ingredients you can find right at your local grocery store. And this is coming from a kid who grew up on mac and cheese and pizza and like TV dinners. I had no clue how to cook, so you get to grow with me through these cookbooks and learn how to cook. Find out more at weightlossrecipescookbook.com.